Hi there, welcome back to the Urban Explorer. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at this rain cover, shelter, whatever you want to call it. So, let's get it up and let's see what it looks like. So in the bag we've got your awning, we have some poles, and we have some pegs as well. One thing I will say about this design, and the link is in the description below, that the pegs are really sturdy. So let's get this attached and see what it looks like. One thing you're going to notice when you get these ones off the link on Amazon is that the poles are really sturdy and strong as well, and they do have these screw adjustment parts, which we will show you just in a minute exactly what they are for. So on the outside of the awning, or the inside of the awning, you do have this thick plastic channel as well. This thick plastic channel marries up in there. Now this part you do have to buy separately. It does screw to the van. And it goes the full length of the van as well. It just sits in there with some self-tappers, and as you can see, it's a nice channel, just so you can actually get the thing in there and it's secure to the van. There's not really a better way of fixing it to the van than using one of these channels, so unfortunately you do need to have one of these channels on your van before you can really fit one of those. So like I said, this channel marries in there and it keeps it nice and secure to the side of the van. So let's get it in. So there is the sun canopy up. Like I said before, it does have these pegs on, which are important because it allows you to have it in different angles. So you can have it like a V shape, so the rain falls off either side. It's up to you, but you do get a lot of space underneath, which is quick and easy and can stay dry. Also, another good thing with this is you can do this. Seriously. So you make a shade a bit, and if it's a bit windy or you want some privacy, you've also got that as well. There's a few different ways that you can do it. We just stick to the normal straight out, like a wigwam, and that does for us. You can open the van door, and it doesn't get in the way of nothing. It just means that this area of the van, or when you are out, it stays dry. So they're cheap, and it's a really easy, quick, simple fix for if it's raining. But don't forget, I'm going to be doing loads of videos like this, little information ones, things I've done on the van, jobs, repairs, fixes, all kinds of stuff. Loads of stuff to do with the Volkswagen T4 as well. So hit the subscribe button, leave us some comments in the comment section, give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next video. Get yourself a van, build it, whatever you do, do it well.